How to install a Woman Evolve mobile app on iOS. So this app is designed for Woman Evolve 2023 conference. Um, I don't know if this app later will actually transform into something bigger, but right now this is just kind of like a conference app where you can see all your schedule, all the lineup, and speaker overview, the feed discovery, and then you can just open up the app and then you can just sign in with Apple or Google, Facebook. And you can just create an account. So then you need to agree. Um, and then there you have it, and then you can just open up the app, and then you will just have your feed just from and then you can have all the chats, you can search, and yeah, so then you can just have your profile, you can see all of the service guidelines, marketplace. So yeah, it's quite advanced conference app, and give it a try. It's just much easier, when you're at a conference, it's hard to bring your laptop and all of that. It's quite convenient to have just one app for that. It's quite handy.